Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So how are you all doing? In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a funky welcome board. I hope you guys like it. So here I'm using blue and white paint and I'm mixing both to get the desired color I want. And I'm painting this cardboard. And this cardboard is of 35 by 11 centimeters and I'm using 6 of these cardboards. And I'm double coating it wherever it is necessary. I have used different colors for all the 6 cardboards, and for the lighter colors I used white paint as the base color so that the light color will pop up. Here I am marking lines just like in a cursive notebook which we used to learn writing in our childhood. This is very useful to get that perfect alignment. The outer lines are 6 centimeters apart and the inner lines are 2 centimeters apart from the outer lines. First I'm writing with a pencil, but try to be light-handed. Here I am applying a little pressure because anyways I'm going to trace it with the black marker, so it doesn't matter. But for the remaining, try to be light-handed so that it will be easy for you either to erase it or just to leave it like that. So as I already drew the lines, it is very easy for me to write the word and know where to end it exactly. And also try not to make much mistakes because on some colors it won't look good if you erase it, just like here. And now I'm tracing with the black marker. If you don't have a marker you can use a paint. So for this one I am going to use a double shade, so I'm outlining it with a white paint, but for the remaining and all I used just a single paint. So that was much more easier than this one because it will take a little bit of extra time than the remaining, as you're going to trace it and then you're going to outline it. So yes, it will take a little bit of extra time, but it looks so good. So if I show you the whole outlining part, it will take a lot of time. So here is the final look and all the remaining cardboard pieces. And I'm taking the last one, which is the home, and I'm going to stick this twine to the last cardboard and then attaching the prayer one and then the prayer one. So yes, it is like a increasing order, I can say. Yeah. You can lay all the pieces at a time or you can glue it like this as well, but make sure that everything, each and every cardboard is glued like in a straight line. So yes, first I laid the sixth one and then the fifth one and now the fourth one and then third, second and first. So I made a knot at the top to hang it, and Yes, this is how it looks once you glue everything. So here it is. Welcome to our comfortable, sometimes loud, usually messy, full of love home. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like it, please give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.